Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and meet the unsung hero of our kitchen. The InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal is such excellent quality and power. I was so excited that during our kitchen renovation we were able to install this. Being able to grind and dispose of food waste in a garbage disposal saves space, saves me time, and saves on the odor in my kitchen. And this Badger 5 has a 1/2 horsepower motor, so it's enough power for our needs. It has a continuous feed feature, which I love because it will continuously grind up the food as I feed it into the garbage disposal. It's this InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal has been so useful and dependable in our kitchen. And that's my point of view.